What's the meaning of approachable? Approachable. Approachable.
Approachable. Approachable. Approachable means that someone or something is easy to approach, talk to, and interact with. It implies that the person or thing in question is friendly, open-minded, and receptive. An approachable person is perceived as being non-judgmental and welcoming, making others feel comfortable and at ease around them. They are typically perceived as trustworthy and likable, which can lead to more positive connections and social opportunities. Overall, being approachable is a desirable trait that facilitates effective communication and socialization.